Removal of exterior vinyl shutters installed with shutter spikes takes minimal time and requires only a few easily accessible tools. Shutter spikes have ridges or scales that, when inserted into a hole in the siding, hold the shutters in place. Moderate force can pull a spike from the hole. We used a standard pry bar for this effort. Newer, stronger spikes may pull out intact, while other, older, more frail spikes may break in the process, like what happened here. Continue to extract all 4, or possibly 6, spikes and remove the shutter. Beware that some shutters may harbor wasps or other insect nests. To extract the spike base, grip with pliers and pull. Alternatively, use diagonal cutting pliers to sever the remaining spike at the face of the siding, leaving a portion of the spike just under the surface. Over time, the area under the shutter has certainly become dirty. You may wish to clean the surface with a scrub brush to prepare for replacement shutters. To eliminate an entry point for moisture or insects, fill each hole with silicone caulk. You are then ready to install new replacement shutters. Come visit us at Shutterland.com for your best selection of exterior shutters.